Did you discuss a timeline with him about filing for divorce?
I did not discuss a timeline with him. As I said, well, I didn't say this, but because divorce is so emotional, and there are so many things to unravel, kids and finances and debts and family and external family and extended family, and everybody really is on their own timeline. I have a couple clients currently that I've been meeting with them for 10 years off and on. So they're not ready to pull the trigger, and everybody has a different timeline.
Thank you. Those are all my questions for you.
Good morning, Ms. Miller.
Morning.
My name is Wendy Lutz. I am one of Ms. Richins' attorneys. So I think you stated on direct already, but it wasn't Eric Richins that reached out to set up an initial appointment with your office, correct?
That's correct.
It was his brother-in-law reached out, and not just to say, hey, I'm referring someone to you, but he reached out to set up the appointment, correct?
I don't recall whether I wouldn't have been part of that conversation. That would have been with Leslie, my paralegal.
Can we take a look at CM1, just for the witness? Let me just ask another question before we talk about that document.
Sure.
2 more questions. So you do remember that it was Mr. Benson that reached out, and then you set up a meeting with Eric. Did anyone attend that meeting with Eric, or was it just yourself and Mr. Richins?
It's my understanding Eric contacted my paralegal to give her a lot of specifics about his situation, and then the meeting that I had with him was just the two of us.
And after that meeting, it was Mr. Benson that reached out and thanked you for meeting with Eric, correct?
Yes. Eric did not want me to have any contact with him via phone or email directly. He wanted everything to go through a third party, his brother-in-law.
Okay, that's what I was getting to. So when you gave Eric the list of documents, you actually sent that to Mr. Benson.
That's correct.
And then it was actually Mr. Benson who provided you with the documentation over email. I don't know, Eric may have brought some things in person, but anything that came over email was between you and Mr. Benson, correct?
Correct.
And would one reason that a client would ask for that, would it be because they weren't ready to let the spouse know that they were considering divorce? Is that fair to say? And a reason for this, and I mean, I know you said that most people who come in and go this far do end up filing for divorce, but fair to say that some people aren't certain if they're going to file when they come in to see you, correct?
Very few.
It happens, though.
It does happen.
All right. And you testified that you went through custody arrangements with Mr. Richins, correct?
Yes.
And you went through the forms you went through regarding children involvement in divorce, correct? I might be naming that form wrong, but you said you went through forms about children.
Children's Bill of Rights.
The Children's Bill of Rights.
It is not an official thing in Utah, but I have it, and I give it out on it. I'm very color coordinated. So I've colored pens for various things, colored paper for the initial client consultation. That happens to be on purple paper, and it's taped up all over our office as well. So I can remind clients, this is the sun. Your kids are the sun, and we are all rotating around them. So let's keep our eye on the prize. So it's just, it isn't anything you could enforce in court, but it's something that I like to share with clients.